Excel COUPPCD function. This function returns the previous coupon date before the settlement date. The PCD in the name stands for previous coupon date. The syntax is COUPPCD with parameters settlement, maturity, frequency, and an optional basis. Like COUPPNCD, this function returns a date serial number, so format the result cell as a date. There are 4 arguments: settlement, the settlement date of the security; maturity, the maturity date; frequency, the number of coupon payments per year, which can be 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, or 4 for quarterly; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of January 25, 2011, maturing on November 15, 2011. The coupon frequency is semi-annual, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The COUPPCD function returns November 15, 2010. This is the most recent coupon payment date before the settlement date of January 25, 2011. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement or maturity is not a valid date. A num error occurs when frequency is not 1, 2, or 4, the basis is out of range, or the settlement date is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. COUPPCD returns a date serial number, so format the cell as a date. It is the counterpart to COUPPNCD. The period between COUPPCD and COUPPNCD defines the current coupon period for the settlement date. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.